tripod crew. What morning, good TikTok. What's up, TikTok? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, YouTube. Let's get it. It's what's today? Wednesday. We have good numbers, good reactions. Hopefully, someone caught that NQ move. If you didn't, there's plenty more. Good morning, what's up, Joey? Damn, I missed that buy. That dip buy right there. 407 was the tick. Missed that move. Oh well. Gotta look for no entry. Good morning, good morning. What up, Kev? We had good numbers this morning, so let's get it. Yeah, I figured it's Kev. It's in your name. What's up, Kev? Hey, good trade this morning. NQ. 429 Tesla. 430 is the hit marker right there for us. Netflix gotta watch. Gotta hold 80. I got next week. NQ. I want to see a quick dip. Dip and rip for NQ. I have a set buy at 396. Let's see if it fills. And of course, it didn't fill. It touched 402. That might be, that was my move, huh? God damn it, NQ. Yeah, my NQ didn't fill. 396 was too low. I should have said higher. That was my fault. Come on, one more dip. One more dip. Tesla is over 430, baby. That's a win. That's in the money. We're in the money for that Tesla move. And that's how you do it, baby. Hey. I'm just gonna long NQ all day today. I'm just gonna long NQ all day today. Yeah, I'm just gonna long NQ. If it's a pullback, I'm getting in. That's 120% on Tesla. Swing. Swing. Take that money. Take that money and get out. Good morning, Kat. Kat, how was your doctor appointment today? Everything's worked out well for your dad? Close an entry. Set. Take my profit and get the fuck out. Tesla hit 185 to $4. Good enough for me. He's feeling good. Good. Nice. Tesla winner. Good shit. Kev, you trading NQ right now? Of course. I need Tesla. I mean, Netflix to hold 80. I have next week 4:30. Hey, heart me, Kev. Appreciate you, man. Tesla's gonna push. We got momentum in Tesla today. You got Netflix shares, right? I need almost 200% on Tesla. That's 200. Oh my god, 335 is my target. I'm gonna take the money right now. Out some at $6.10. That's 180 to 620 right there. Runners. Fuck yeah, that's a win. I took target at 435. That's my first line. Over 45, we can move. Sorry, guys. There's a dip. There it is. My NQ filled at 396. God damn. Good job, Tesla. Roll. I'm gonna take some of that profit. I'm gonna look into Tesla roll. 450. That's monster. Over 440. We can see 450 pretty fast. So I'm setting my runners for Tesla for a stop loss, take profit. So I don't need to look at it again. I'm gonna leave it like, fuck it, lottery win at like 15 sell limit. I'm gonna leave it at what was it, 186, 386, 460, 480. 480 sounds good. Yeah, I'm just gonna let Tesla run. All right, don't have to look at it anymore. 250% on Tesla. Good shit. Good stuff, Tesla. NQ is coming back. I'm just gonna keep Tesla running. Let's look for a roll. We took that profit and let's just see, it's $7 right now. So Tesla, I'm just gonna keep paying attention to Tesla today. SC is a good move. Good move on SC. Let's see what else we got. Keep Tesla on. So VIX says 17. Our magic number is 17. See, Netflix, they just like to keep Netflix around 80. How's Oracle doing today? Oracle is pulling back to 1. It has to make it back over to 160. Oracle. I don't mind that pullback. Jeez. That's a short. 950 ohms. Cat, you called that out yesterday. You lost support, huh? Next shelf, $9. $9. Cat for ONDS. Let me see what else we got. Now for our next Tesla trade, if we can get a pullback to 429, I'll be happy with that. What's up, Tony? There's that Tesla. What a beautiful push in Tesla. Momentum was there 2 days straight. I was saying, when a ticker is moving for like 2 strong days, believe in it. Believe in it. Last year. Let me see. Where are my... NVIDIA? Sorry, I was like distracted. 190. I like that 190 hold. Tesla's good. Tesla flag. Oh, baby. So today's 1 day expiration. Let's do Friday. We're not doing today. We can do today for cheap. I'm gonna take 2 super lottos. The 450 roll. Actually, 450 is like pushing it, to be honest with you. $4.45 is more believable by Friday. I'm just gonna take 1 for now. 1. Hi, Carlos. Hi, Bryce. Jojo, what's up, Jojo? Jojo. How'd you join that Tesla trade? So when I was off yesterday for Tesla, every dip for Tesla I bought more. Every dip. I did 3 rounds of Tesla yesterday. And the last buy, I just held it into today. So yeah, so I overnight swung Tesla. The average was 187. Like everything's good about it. On Nvidia's nice cat. You guys stopped out. You hit 27. You hit like 20%, didn't you? Oh, you stupid Robin Hood. You couldn't move. You couldn't set a stop loss or something. Yeah, 2 days straight. Remember how we talked about yesterday? Like 2 strong days. Volume. Buyers are there. So believed in the thesis. I mean, my magnet was 430, the 113 line right here. That was my original magnet, my target profit. So that thesis is there, magnet's there. I just swung. You see something, you swing it. Ooh, I like this. Dude, yeah, switch over to Weeble. I've lost so much money just like using a stupid ass Robinhood because I couldn't set a stop loss take profit. This is Rob. It does that. Piss. 445. $434. 430 is today, okay? 430 for Tesla. That's the line. If you see 430 hold for Tesla, I was staying long. Me personally. Myself personally. Anything else? That's on you. Yep. And Microsoft. Oh my god, Microsoft. What is up with Microsoft lately? I still have this note here. Yes, I still have that note. I never took it off. Microsoft is dead. I looks like a buy burger. What's up, burger? Dude, I remember talking to Kat about, or was it Kat? What's it, you Kat? That we looked at Microsoft and I saw the chart right away. I'm like, Microsoft's dead. First note, like I saw it was like I saw this drop and lost support. I'm like, it's dead. It's gone. It's gone. Um, good thing about shares, you can hold it, and remember the market always goes up. Just you just gotta go through the red days. That's the emotional part, right? That's the emotional part. Yeah, if this was an options move, my God, your contract's dead. Like it's 0%. Like it's gone in like 2 seconds. Oklo. Kev, are you still in here? That's an NQ long right there. This is flagging. Oklo's at support. Microsoft. Fill the gap. Okay, cool. Okay, Burger and Cat. Burger, you're not wrong about this. There's a gap fill right here. So I think that was the original box I drew. Got to fill that box. Filled it. Bounced off. It's gonna do a little retracement. Hopefully that's a look. So if you were to fib this, the initial drop, yeah, golden zone right here. So if you fib that Microsoft daily, that's a pullback to the fib. You do have some life. Just hold it. So Burger, yeah, it's a buy. Golden. I'm gonna tell the group that. From the impulse drop. It's a 50. I saw Microsoft. Why can't I type Microsoft? Jesus Christ. Well, yeah, that's Microsoft right there. You're good. You have life. How's Hood? Hood had earnings. What's my note? Hood 85 calls February 20th, 43rd reach. Reachers only on 2.6. Only if 82 holds. 82 didn't hold, so that is invalidated. Perfect. Look at that. Write your notes. Know your shit. VIX is holding on to 17, so we just gotta watch that. If it breaks 17, we're good for a move. $409. What are you 409? I don't even know what we're looking at right now. You talking Microsoft? Microsoft at 409? I didn't even look at the price. Oh yeah, 409. Sorry. Pretty Asia. Hold on, let me blow this up so we can all take a look at it. I'm gonna remove this arrow. Don't want to confuse people. Don't buy anything yet, Jojo. Let the candle, let the 4-hour candles, base, and give you a move. Yeah, for Microsoft. Don't do anything crazy with Microsoft yet. Let it base, and give you a move. I love talking shit about Robinhood. I just got an email from Robinhood. They're like, we raised your rates for your next transfer. Oh, thank you. Because I took money out. I'm like, bye. I moved everything to Webull, my Roth, and all my stocks. Why's my email all jacked up? Check out the software list. Oh yeah, if you guys don't have this list, ping me or DM me in or ask me in the Discord. I can send you my list. Everything's broken down by categories, so you can see exactly like which sector to jump to when we're talking. So software is dead today. Red. What's good today? Semiconductors. Nvidia is holding 190, so we got to hold 190 for Nvidia. Where is my chat? Oh yeah, I did. Like super small. I didn't buy as many as like the other day. When it's a roll, you're playing with profit, right? So I'm trying to keep most of my profit or almost all of it. So I didn't buy that many contracts. So if it goes to 0, cool. Tesla's still a win. That one's good. Calendar's good. IWM's Blaze, good catch on that. So yeah, 269 short level. I like when we chat online about this, like on live. Like I love chatting with you guys. We always catch it because I don't catch everything, right? So and then you guys bring up names. I'm like, oh cool, got to check. And then like yesterday, Blaze, like, is it time for IW short, IWM short? Check the chart. I'm like, yeah, it's good. It's good short right here. Yeah, I was like, if we can push 270 short from there. But yeah, it's good short. Good freaking short. What's up, Hawk? Hello, Hawk. How do you find chart? How do you find that chart on TradingView? Burger. What chart? About to lose 80. Don't lose 80, Netflix. I can be happy with you. Yeah, just don't. If you feel like you don't trade, go your gut. Just don't trade. You know. Yeah, VIX is pushing, so chill. Netflix lost it. Shop, Jesus. Shop had Shop was a had earning, right? Yep. And it pushed and dumped. Couldn't hold it. I kind of like this NQ spot for a long. Tesla 430 coming up. I'm gonna go for a long here, NQ. Hawk. It's like $21. Oh, I skipped my beat. 288 infill. Oh my god, NQ, you fuck. Just tap 288 for me. It really skipped my fill. 288.25. What's low on that one? 290. I missed it by $1.25. I swear, dude. I swear. Hawk. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna feel this one. I moved it. Bro, what? Man, I hate that. And it does that all to me all the time, to be honest with you. Like, whatever. Please feel my shit. Oh my god, I moved it up and didn't feel again. You cuck. You see that shit? Oh my god. That's a 40-point pop right there. God damn it. Definitely laugh cry emoji right there on that one. I'm crying, dude. I am crying. MNQ? Trinity, so it would be QQQ. Here's the test with Tesla, 430 test. So if we were to if we were to look at Tesla and trade Tesla based on the pre-market orb, I believe the pre-market orb is high as 425. I don't want to see it drop down to 425. I want to see it maintain 430 for momentum. Software is like dead today, which is due to VIX is pushing. VIX has what do you call it, resistance coming up right here. So at like when VIX touched this area, 1760-ish, you should see a quick pop on SPY, SPX, NQ, ES. Did I say that already? Yeah, I did. Quick pop on that. Where is... All right, cool. My NQ filled at my original spot. It did come back down, thank God. I'll take that 50-point pop again. I have no idea. Anything I like today, Kat? The only new trade I took was the Tesla roll up. That's just pure lottery right there. Nothing yet. I'm just gonna scan the bots, but nothing popped up on Sexy Flow channel yet. No bots. Everything. If you're like you like puts, you're shorting everything. Shorting is good right now on any software. Let's see. Yeah. So this morning had a nice pop on NQ, yes. Then it pulled back and pretty much gave it back. SPY 697. SPY 697. That popped up 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. Expiration is same day expiration. They want 697 calls on SPY 10 minutes ago. It's interesting. You have SPY. Here's VIX pushing. You made that rejection. Yeah, we'll just keep an eye on SPY VIX today, Cat. For long. We chill. God, my back. Any plans for today? No, just work. I do have to finish a wedding album. Where the hell is... Yeah, I gotta... What about you, Cat? It's raining here. Hopefully it stops, so we'll have to like walk in this crazy rain outside. Four-hour reclaim. 10 a.m. No trend move right now. I was hoping for 10 a.m. like right now. It should give us a trend day, but no trend day. That's a bummer. Wait, an ice cream jam in Aruba. You say heat wave? Oh, jeez. Okay. Cat, that's so confusing. When you say heat wave in the 50s, that's like throwing me off. I'm like, stop playing around. Usually, like when I hear a heat wave, I'm like, okay, okay, that makes sense, right? Like 0 degrees, from 0 degrees to 50. Yeah, that's a heat wave. Absolutely. I'm over here in California. You say heat wave, I'm like, you hit 100 degrees? I love it. All right, 18. We want an 18 rejection on VIX. Absolutely want 18. So if you want to do a quick pop trade, would be time this with ES or NQ right here for a quick pop to the upside. $18 right here. It goes over 18. It's gonna be a nasty, ugly day. Over 18 is gonna be nasty, Tony Morales. It's like Miles Morales. Vic straight over 18. Crazy. Vic's over 18. All right, cool. Short everything. We can hedge with shorts. It's gonna retest 18, so it's gonna pop back up or down on VIX. And that's why you don't get same day stuff. Silver's moving. So like SL silver's like always opposite of like the market now. You notice that? Whoever bought that spy lottos for 697 calls this morning on that flow is like dead in the water. Maniac. Same day expiration. Dumb. I would never. VIX really didn't want to come back and like retest 18. They just went up. Here we go. Retest of 18. If 18 holds, red. Red day. I really like the discount, by the way. I'm gonna keep an eye on for that 425 level. You held the long? 69.65 on. Buying time. Options, yeah. Cat, when you get into options, buy time. Buy if it's a slow mover, buy a month out. If it has momentum, like if you're trading Tesla, Nvidia, like high volume tickers, you can do like 2 weeks out, even like the same week. But if you're doing the same week, you gotta get it like Monday, Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, Thursday, those will burn if they don't make the money. If they're not getting towards your target. That's a bummer. Didn't feel my. It didn't feel my short. 40-point drop on that short. That's twice already. Damn, god damn it. You know a ticker that we saw pop up yesterday? I dropped it and we talked about it in Discord CLSK. Someone bought a shitload of $12 call for the end of the month. Like insanely a lot, which is very interesting. So I bought a bunch of it too. A bunch of it as well yesterday. And it gave me 40%. I took most of it off. I have runners, which is like nothing right now. They're like 33% down, so they're still cheap contracts. I might load it again. At $18 each, that's nothing. It's like someone knows, right? Someone, when you have flow like that, someone knows. COSK. Times it, 717. Yeah, that's crazy. All right. There's nothing really. I'm just checking. Tesla holds 420. Could be a 425, 430 move again. What do you think, Kat? You think VIX is gonna go over 19? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? You went long AES right here. Is ES moving differently? I'm really bothered that software is like being a bitch. Oh no, I'm trying to see. I need some solid candles closing first on a 3 minutes before I jump in a long. I don't think it's a long. Trend is short right now. I'm gonna do NQ, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. Data was good today too, which is like, what is going on? Did I miss like the news? Did something pop up on the news that we didn't see? What happening today? What is happening today? Yeah, VIX is pushing. It has room for 19 for sure. Yeah, it's gonna push 19. It's probably gonna break 19 real fast. You know what? Just fuck it. Just break 19, just push. Go to 20 again. I dare you. Right? Might as well. Might as well. I'm waiting for it to reclaim. Fix to be under 18, then I'm gonna go long. But for funsies, I'm gonna rebuy a bunch of those CLSK contracts at 19 each. Yep, 19 each. Fed's talking about rates cutting, no bounce. That doesn't do shit. Not a damn thing popping up. There it is. Towards 19. What is that? Hello, baby. Good morning, buddy. Tristan, see that? It stopped raining. It was raining a lot last night, huh? Yeah. Is it drizzling still?
It's kind of jizzing like this. It's just a little bit. I just see it like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
I know.
Remember that?
Love the skin.
Remember, it was raining a lot last night.
It did. It was like a pour. It was a storm last night, dude.
I know it was like this. Like that.
Did it wake you up? Did it scare you?
No.
No, good.
I just leave the storm alone. Oh, I see raining. Oh my gosh, Daddy.
Yeah.
My heart's beating because the dark cloud is over there. It might go over here.
You think so? I don't think so.
It might be raining a lot too. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Hunter. This one could be interesting, Kat. This one might be interesting. All right, baby. So I bought more of those earlier. CLSK. Tesla, I'm watching about 420 hold. Back over 425 would be interesting. I'll go along to SPX and SPY when 18 is when VIX is under 18. Let's see what else we got. Netflix about to lose 80. Yes, buddy.
Mommy, I'm going to school today.
Of course. You always go to
When I
school.
go to school, I do my homework,
Mhm.
breakfast, I do my homework, eat lunch,
Mhm.
and then the dark cloud's gonna do like this. The dark cloud gonna do like this. And then it started to be windy, and then yesterday, and then I tell Mr. Omer, then I tell Mr. Omer like this, what does that smell? And then Mr. Omer was saying to me like this, that smelled like fart. And then Mr. Omer said say like this, I'm just kidding. And then Mr. Omer said, I smell rain. It's starting to windy now. It's starting to rain.
It is starting to rain. That's a good story from Mr. Omar, dude. It cracks me up. That was a good story, huh? I love their stories every day. AVGO. Let's check out AVGO, everyone. These kids crack me up. They crack me up, man. Every day. Story time's best. Hey, what do you guys want for breakfast? You want cereal? Bagel? You have bagel already. You want your bread, peanut butter, and Nutella? What are you thinking? And peanut butter? Okay. Can you guys go get ready? Don't do that. Don't smash the window, man. You want to wake up your baby sister? She's going to kill us. She's scary. You wake her up. Don't do it. Dude, have a good time in class, man. Yeah, don't trade. Just nothing crazy right now. Don't worry. We'll scream it out. Just check the Discord. You know how to do it. When we get any nice trend movement, then just peep it. Right now, for myself, I hate getting puts or like shorting. When I short quickly. I'm in and out. Because mentality is like market goes up. Like, yes, we will go down, but you never know when bull steps in, liquidity sweep, and then there's a bam, bounces right back up and rips your face open. You know? Just saying. Not technically rip your face open, but it could. It really could. AVGO is at support right here at 333. It's off the bounce. The 113 bounce right here, 113 hold. The daily on this one. I've never taken a put. Yeah, puts are really short. Most time I take puts, it's a hedge, and only when like Titan's like, hey, we should get a hedge. I'm like, I'm in shit. If you say that, you know something's coming. I'm cool. I'll ride with that. AVGO. What do we think for AVGO? The daily is on a 113 as well. It's on support. Here's the impulse right here. Initial impulse. You're right, Cat. Got pretty damn close to the 113 line. Excuse me. We can check IWM like, hold on. IWM was end of month, even maybe for March. $265 calls to IWM. End of this month, end of February will be. It's not a bad move. $265 calls. $265 calls. I see a strong support right here. IWM around this level. 260's got a hold. All right, VIX is doing its thing. Let it. Now the thing is, like, see this 113 line right here? I feel like it's gonna get magnet, like it's gonna get pulled towards that line. So 260 is the base. So right here, like 260-ish. I'm gonna see if there's a discount. We can get a discount toward 260. Then I'll jump in on the IWM move. Yeah, it just dropped $20 on that contract. Yeah. I can start a small bid on IWM right here. And then I'll load the rest of the boat if it gets to that 60 level. Yeah. No, this is a good move right here. Cat. So I went small buy on that 275 calls right there. Or 265 calls. Jesus Christ. Sorry. 265 calls, Feb 27. Initial buy. What's my average? 370. Yeah, I'm in that call. Made it. Here's Vix. Do it. Get under 18, Vix. Then we can do something. That's why we can't short long, because, you know, bears can never hold their shit. Bulls will step in. And most of the time, I just feel like institutions just like doing it on purpose so they can get a discount on everything. They're like, cool, let's drop everything quickly, discount. Then they'll slam the buys. That initial that CLSK buy cat, we're up. That was $19 each. They're at 27 now. Yes,
Countries are wet everywhere.
of course. It's pouring, my guy. Better be wet.
Because last night was raining a lot.
I know. Last night was pouring, huh?
It's, this is, can you look at me?
Of course, I'm looking at you.
This is the straight rain and this is the right rain and this is the left rain.
Left rain? What does that mean?
Left!
Left? It only rain on the left side?
No, it's straight.
Okay. I get it.
It was ready to.
Okay. Do you need help with the toothbrush? Can you set it up for you and your brother? You're not watching TV right now, man. Oh my God. Andre, yeah, it's definitely something you can look into. I wouldn't say like do it all the time, but it's like you can definitely use the options contracts to leverage your stocks, your shares. As long as you do it carefully and you know exactly when to do it, you'll be fine. Like we're very careful of our options trading, like very careful. Like for me personally, I check if there is confluence with my other traders, if there's options flow coming in, if it reclaim a certain level. Um, for instance, we were talking about IWM. Let's bring this chart up. I'm just watching NQ on the left side of my screen. Sorry, guys. So before I even got contracts, I checked the daily, right? See what it looks like. Okay, that's filled. VIX needs to be under 18, then we can move. And then I checked the daily. I fibbed it right away and see like what was the last impulse move, because it's a retracement, and see where the retracement's at currently. Cat brought this up, so it went into the golden zone, the fib 618 level. Touched the 20 EMA. We got to reclaim the 618 level, which is 263. From there, I'm like, this is a good support. I want to bet a bigger discount at like if the price drops down to 261. 260 is pretty low. Like under 260, I wouldn't even go calls. But it's a good level for the initial buy. Then I zoom into the 4 hours, right? Then I check my EMA as well and see how volume and what my volume shelves look like. Here, it's gonna populate soon. These guys are here. See those mountains? Just by seeing the mountains, you can see which node stands out the most. You can see a huge support right here at 261, and then the next support is at 263. So from here, my buy is, yeah, if I'm gonna go for initial options swing. So I took the 265 calls for February 27th, like a small buy. If it drops down to 61, I'll buy more as an average in. So that initial buy was like 370 each. It's up $10 right now for per contract. That's not a lot. That doesn't seem a lot, but for the next 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks ish. We're hoping that it'll continue off that support. Hey, what's up, Brantley? How are you? What is up? So yeah, Andre, does that make sense to you? So it's not just like a name that pops up and you just buying random option contracts. No, man, you gotta like look into it. If you go and like you browse TikTok or X or wherever, and then or like other Discord and Slacks. Do people still use Slacks? What is that about? About Take Two. Take Two Interactive. What game do they make? Why does it sound so familiar? This is a downtrend. What is there a game release coming up? Take Two Interactive. GTA. We don't know anything about GTA 6 yet, right? Is it supposed to launch at the end of this year, right? Is it still March or April? Or did they delay it for like 2027? Before 2027? I wouldn't buy anything. Like if you're trying to get contracts from this guy, don't even do anything yet. If you're hoping on from you just banking on like one game release. There are other names out there you can buy or do options with. But if you really love this name, I'm not gonna tell you like don't do it, but I wouldn't do it based on that. Like software, like game companies, I try to stay away. Is EA? How's EA? What the fuck happened here? Why does EA look like crazy? I think this is where they the Saudis bought them, right? I remember that one day like they got bought by the Saudis or something. This drop is crazy, by the way. Had good earnings, but then people sold off. You got to wonder, like, during the earning call, did they say something like negative about software releases? Here's your impulse move. Sorry, I'm just watching off. Hell yeah, I do. Oops. Yeah, I keep an eye on my opening orb. Green line right here. So this is a pre-market low, the red line. Pre-market high right here. Rejected. It also confluenced with. What did it confluence with? The opening 4 hour. Yeah, I love confluence, by the way. It works well. Rejected. Bro, can you go brush your teeth? Tristan, can you get your toothbrushes ready for yourself? Yes. Yeah. I know it's gonna storm today, maybe. Okay.
Today this is storm today, but the sun is still out, but the sun is going down.
I know.
Because the dark cloud is going over here.
Okay, I get it, Gal.
Now it's only one already. Now there's two clouds, dark clouds.
Okay, toothbrushes now, please. Brush your nasty little teeth. Investor day for Datadog tomorrow. So that might be a catalyst we gotta look out for. Datadog gave us 40% yesterday, Cat. Now let's see if Datadog can give us another big day tomorrow. You know? Where's my email? There it is. Investor Day. Yeah, Investor Day could be fun. The last time, like, we did a trade for, I forget the name, was it? It had Investor Day and nothing shot up. Like, Investor Days are always great. So I don't mind taking another trade for Datadog. Investor Day. Let's see what name is good. All right, IWM's pulling back. I'm looking at the 260 entry, the second entry. Datadog. Dog. What did we buy yesterday? Next week? It was next week. 135 calls. Next week, 135 calls. Right? Yeah, the 20th. It's $10 away. Could be an easy, quick move. 135 calls has the most volume. I don't mind taking out again. I'm gonna do a small buy for 135 Datadog for next week. Based on Investor Day movement. Yeah, I'm doing it. Datadog, 135 calls, Feb 20th. Investor Day trade. They had good earnings. They had great earnings. Yeah, Datadog had great earnings, by the way. I want to see a continuation. Reclaim the 113 line today, which would be, let's say the 113 is about, 130. Datadog reclaim 130. We should be golden for a next week move, or even the rest of the week. Software is doo-doo, man. I'm just kidding. I have Oracle for end of month. I don't know, Fitty. I think we go NQ for the rest of the day, to be honest with you. What do you think, boss? So here's a pre-market move. Where's VIX? 18 test. Rejections right here. Then we're setting it. Yep. You caught the bottom. You always catch the bottom. You love the bottom. Just kidding, man. Good catch. I didn't catch a bottom for NQ. I caught the pre-market low for NQ. It's moving. It's chewing. Just gonna hold on to these babies. Until we hit $1 million. Bro. Here it is. Hey boys, do you guys want to, turn off that TV and get ready for school? We traded this name like, yeah, we traded this name like a while back. Circle. We need that. Huh? Dude, what is going on? Why is my trading sinker all jacked up? Disconnected again? Please stop doing that. Trading sinker, what the F, man? Dude, do you said you got any thoughts on 62 calls? I don't know anything about this name, to be honest with you. Nice catch. Datadog's up $40. Me too, Cat. I'll see you tomorrow or later today or tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Get the kids ready. But Datadog,